A potentially historic winter storm is moving across the country, targeting the southeast. This isn't a typical cold snap. Forecasters warn of catastrophic ice with damage compared to hurricanes. Millions from Texas to the East Coast will face dangerous ice, snow, and extreme cold. The main threat: heavy ice that can snap tree branches and power lines, causing widespread, long-lasting power outages. With frigid air following the storm, preparation is urgent. Now is the time to stock up and make a plan while stores are open and power is on. Think, what would you need if you couldn't leave home for several days or lost power in freezing temperatures? Officials are preparing, but your safety depends on your own readiness. Preparation now can make all the difference. Let's walk through what to expect and how to get ready. Here's how the storm will unfold. Today it hits Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. Roads are icing over, flights are canceled, and travel is dangerous. Finish preparations now if you're in these areas. Saturday, the storm intensifies and moves into Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Georgia, and the Carolinas. Crippling ice is expected. Ice storm warnings are in effect, with over ½ inch of ice possible, enough to bring down trees and power lines. Travel will be nearly impossible. Plan to be in a safe place by Saturday morning. Sunday, the storm moves up the East Coast, hitting cities like Nashville, Atlanta, and Charlotte with snow, sleet, and freezing rain. The southeast will remain frozen, with roads treacherous and power restoration slow. Monday brings a blast of Arctic air, temperatures 15 to 40 degrees below average, risking burst pipes and hypothermia. The danger will last for days, even after the storm passes. Prepare for a multi-day event. Stay informed and stay put. The biggest threat is catastrophic ice. Freezing rain will coat roads, trees, and power lines, making travel impossible and causing outages. Heavy ice can snap branches and bring down power lines, leaving many without electricity or heat for days. Driving is extremely dangerous. Black ice is nearly invisible and bridges freeze first. Stay off the roads to protect yourself and first responders. After the storm, extreme cold will set in, increasing the risk of hypothermia and burst pipes. Protect your pipes by letting faucets drip and opening cabinet doors. Know where your main water shutoff valve is in case of a burst pipe. Prepare to stay warm and safe without power. Take these dangers seriously. Your safety depends on it. Here's how to get ready now. Stock up on non-perishable food and water for at least 3 days, 1 gallon per person per day. Gather flashlights, batteries, and charge all devices and power banks. Find warm blankets, sleeping bags, and winter clothes. Layer up to stay warm. If you have a fireplace or generator, check supplies and safety. Let faucets drip and open cabinet doors to protect pipes. Make sure you know how to shut off your water. Prepare for infants, elderly, or anyone with medical needs. Have extra supplies and medications. Check on neighbors and make a plan to stay in touch. A little planning now will keep your family safe and comfortable. During the storm, stay home and off the roads. Conditions will be too dangerous. Use safe heating. Never use grills or generators indoors, and keep space heaters away from flammable items. Check smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Keep phones charged and have a battery-powered radio for updates. Follow local emergency instructions and weather alerts. Stay positive. Play games, read, and keep spirits up. Check on neighbors, especially the elderly or those with young children. Help each other if you can do so safely. Community support is vital in times like these. Stay safe, stay warm, and look out for one another.